and I am happy for what has come to pass. And I am happy for what will happen after now, what is in the front. And I am happy for the step the Finland government have taken by blocking Nigeria from their evil continuity. And thank God at the same time that God used the Finland government to spare the life of Simon Ekman as well, because his presence that day could have caused many harms, not just to Simon Ekpan, but many other people that embrace the occasion. And I am happy for that. And I am happy again because Finland is not a place. They have separated themselves and proved to the world the dignity that is in them and the integrity and the principle that they are. And I love that despite they are small, but they are mighty. And what is happening in the north now, currently, is happening as a result of what the Simon Ekman, the man, the little boy that neglected, they looked down on, the people that they never recognize, the people that are marginalizing, the people that say they will not rise or they will never have a voice one day. What is coming out now from that part? And they knew it vividly well within themselves that this set of people, they are looking down on, they are marginalizing, they are oppressing and suppressing, and the key future of the country called Nigeria. Now, these people has woken up from their sleep. And to the glory of God, by the special grace of God, God have used somebody to push the faith, our faith, far beyond their own imagination. Today, the Western world are talking about it, and that is why the Nigerian Aso Rock National Assembly are scared of. They are afraid of it. Now, let me tell you again another point. Not only what has happened is the major fear to Nigeria, but another thing in addition to this is the Attorney General of Federation who wrote petition against Simon Ekpan. Simon Ekpan has sued him to ICC. Are you getting it? So Nigeria will definitely, whether they like it or not, because they try to curb that invitation. They try to stop that court, this thing, which Simon Ekpan sued them. But now, international ICC have said nothing like wave off, and nothing will stop us for not proceeding following the due process. So Nigeria must appear. Nigeria must come. Nigeria must come and defend. At least you accuse a person of something, you come and defend that. Then the accuser himself, has presented one or two things to defend what you accuse him of. So definitely you come there, both of you will defend yourself.
Are you not scared that it will affect Nigerian military, given the impunity they have committed against them?
Yes, that is why I said Aso Rock is calm. There is cold water, ice block in Aso Rock. The AGF, Attorney General Federation of Nigeria today, is a kind of shaking. There is a serious cold. Malaria typhoid has catch up with him.
They said that Emmanuel Macron threatened Tinubu in France with the Igbo music, signaling that he is also backing and supporting what is going on concerning Biafran agitation.
Of course.
Is it true?
Yes, of course. Don't you hear the music? Chop money, chop money, chop money. Is chop money a song? Is there anything coming out from chop money, chop money? Indirectly, they are referring to Tinubu.
P Square, yeah.
The song from P Square. Now, the Macron, the president of France, are using it to address Tinubu. This is the kind of person you are. It's not only when you open mouth and say it. With the music, and the whole, oh yeah, let's dance it. Chop money. You are chopping money. You are not working. You are just eating money, not working. So, in other words, the man doesn't want to speak much. He prefers action. And with what has come to play now, it shows that because during the war, France remains the only country who tried to help. You understand? So that love has been there from the onset. The love has been there from the onset, not today. Are you getting it? It has been there before, I believe, before Macron was born. You understand? Yeah, before he was born. So he continued from the step of his forefathers
Yes,
towards the
a
Biafrans.
lot of people are already that some countries who have endorsed Biafra, like Tanzania,
Eritrea,
DR Congo, Cote d'Ivoire, and others, that have already moved to United Nations to tender their documents of yesteryears of support for Biafra, recognition for Biafra. What does that actually mean for Biafra and, of course, the Igbos?
listen to me and listen good. USA, United States of America. And let me tell you, there is a state in United States of America, many states in America is bigger than Nigeria.
Hmm.
But they come together and form United States of America. And today they are waxing strong. They are growing. So now you are coming out again in Africa with a nation, United States of Biafra. Those people that has gone to submit their own support of yesteryears have seen the same thing that we Biafra saw. They are buying the idea that is in Biafra. The vision, the dream, what Biafra is all about is what Nigeria failed to understand. It's what Nigeria is not seeing. But the other countries are seeing it, and that is why they have submitted it by admitting it.
You said this thing just like what we heard from the north this morning, saying that how Caliphate will felt if Nigeria without Biafra in Biafra goes. What would the position of the north? They are trying to look at it, and they are questioning. They are trying to blame Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the Biafran unstoppable rise this time around.
Yes, they have seen it. This is something that they know before. They don't see it coming. Now it has come to them. Now they are now actually seeing the effects. Now they are now seeing the impact we have been giving them. We have been playing to the growth of Nigeria economy. So our departure, Biafran departure, we definitely, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, says something. He said, I will end the suffering of my people in me, and I will be the end of Nigeria. You get it? It's a proverb word, and it's given to the elders in the spirit to understand it. Are you getting it? That are elderly in the spirit, not elder by age.
Why is it that the Southeast governors are on emergency meeting and now over the spread and mounting and hosting of Biafran flag in Biafran land?
Why? Yes, they need to hold emergency meeting because what they never expected is what has come to play. You understand? And you know vividly well, many of them are behind what was going on in the Biafra land. Are you getting it? They are the one behind it. Many of them are behind it. So now they are seeing it that, be like say these people don't actually succeed though. And the ones these people finally stand like this, when they get this kind of support, their own, their life, everything about them, and family, even their children, unborn, and the one that is already on earth, how will these people treat them? You understand me? The hope most of them have up to 50 years to live. They didn't have up to 100 years to live. You get it? And look at what he has committed. So tell me, on what state, if we finally stand now on our own, do you think that somebody like Hope will just come and talk anything or do anything in Biafra land? Even his children now, the one that he has now, they may wake up tomorrow, okay, let's say, then we remind them what their father has. You know, understand? You know that kind of thing. So the thing will play immensely against their generations. You understand? Because they think that they can just act and stop this thing. But they don't know that this thing will go viral like this and it come to stay like this. You understand? So that's why they are like holding emergency meeting. Probably what next to do in order to calm the nerves of these people for peace, for them to forgive us.
Okay.
Because we have offended them.
Okay. After the convention, the Finnish media, press, journalists, were everywhere, spreading, talking about Biafra all over the Finnish government. Some foreign media are all already feasting on that, you know. And these people, they say they are terrorists in Finland, are the ones talking to the media face to face, you know, signaling that they are not terrorists. They are, you know, people who want their right, who want existence.
Yeah,
How would you react to that?
yes, the Finland government has found out the truth. And Finland government is a people who doesn't want to dent their image. There are the people who don't want to partner with the criminals. There are people who don't want to stain, to have a dent in their flag, in the country. That's why somebody like Simon Ekman was asked to stay away, but people are saying he was detained, arrested. You know, he was asked to stay away so that they will do a thorough investigation based on the allegation leveled against him. Are you getting it? So now they themselves are now the ones speaking on behalf of Simon Ekman. It's not even Simon Ekman now defending himself.
Are you, yes, go on, go on.
You understand? They have done the verification. They have found out that, oh, this man, what he was accused of was not actually what he was doing. That he was actually fighting for his fundamental human rights. Are you getting? Which the Finnish land they themselves, they did it to get their own independence. You get it? So then Nigeria is lying against this man, and they have been lying against the people of the country. You understand? But glory be to God for social media today. Whosoever that come up, that God give this wisdom of social media, God will bless him the more. Because now we have access to air ourselves and to express ourselves for the people over there to see and to hear us, to see what is going on in Africa, especially what has played back, starting from back in the days, in the years, up till now, against the Biafran. What if there is no social media like this now? Don't you think that this thing, Simon Ekman and co, Nigeria would have just cut it off like that? They themselves will not actually see the truth. Even Americans, not just Americans, even the people in diaspora, even including the Africans that have submitted their own support. Are you getting it? They will still believe in the lying that Nigeria are placing before them. You understand? So there wouldn't have been anything of call ICC inviting Nigeria now. You understand? Because they will believe on what Nigeria, the lies Nigeria will present to them. But glory be to God that today those lies has come to end.
Are they surprised, just to add to what you said, with the caliber of people that flooded Finland for Biafra ceremony event in Finland? We are the Finnish government are surprised. You know, different caliber of Igbos, we are all there.
Yes. When you look down on a small pot that is too small, then that small pot that you put on fire will quench the fire. So they look down, they don't know how far Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has gone. And they don't know how far Simon Ekman too continue from where Mazen Nnamdi Kanu stopped, how far he himself have reached before now. That's why you see dignitaries, not just Biafrans, not just Igbos, but dignitaries in diaspora, different countries, different colors of people embracing the occasion in different languages, with the different slangs, with the different reasoning and understanding, with the different ideas. You understand? Different, in fact, in all dimension, in all culture, in all apparel, everybody appear to embrace it because they see the light.
Finally, we'll learn that the Finnish government has picked a date for Simon Ekman's release after they have seen the reality is staring them on the face. How would you react to that?
Yes, And I give God the glory that they themselves, it is no longer Simon Ekman defending himself. They themselves have found out the truth. And they have picked a date. Let them free him. And I know they are not Nigeria. Even when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu finally defeated Nigeria, even in Nigerian court of law, yet they refused to free him. You understand? They still kept him in DSS custody because of what? Hatred. But Finland is not like that. They have verified, they have done their verification, they have done everything that is necessary based on this fact, on the file that is before their table. Now they have found out the truth. They have no option and they have no choice than to free the man.
Thank you.